Let me show you how you can automatically add the data over the Google Sheet. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet named as Typeform Leads Record. Now let's fill the Typeform and see the magic. So here I have provided the first name as Smart, last name as User, and the next I'm going to provide the email as smartuser@pabblytudes.com, and here I'm going to provide the contact number. So here I have entered it. Now let's provide the city as Indore. And now let's submit our type form. So right here you can see that my type form has been submitted successfully. Now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to see the changes, and here you can see that I'm successfully receiving all the details which I have just filled over my type form. So this is the way you can automatically save the data over your Google Sheet without requiring any manual efforts, and you can do it by creating an automation using Pabbly Connect. So let me show you how you can use this all-in-one automation tool for integrating Typeform and Google Sheet. And not only these applications, you can integrate your thousands of business applications to automate the entire business task. And now this will help you to save the time and grow your business. So let's move on towards the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect to create this amazing automation. So right here I'm on the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, where for creating a new workflow, we just have to click over this create workflow button. And right here I'm going to create it using Quick Builder, which is the new workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, where you don't have to select trigger or action application. You just have to provide a prompt to this AI, and this will automatically make the setup for those applications. So here I will be entering my prompt as integrate Typeform with Google Sheets. So here I have provided this prompt, and as I have provided this prompt, I'm going to select my Typeform trigger as new entry. And now let's select the Google Sheet action as add new row. Now let's approve it, and now let's open our workflow. So right here we are on the workflow page, where you can see that your both applications, that is Typeform and Google Sheets, are already integrated. And now we can add the data over the Google Sheet received from this Typeform. So here I will be selecting it. Now let's build a new connection. So right here we are on the connection page, where if you want to build a new connection, then you have to select this button of add new connection. And now let's connect with Typeform. And right here I'm going to allow the access, as my data is 100% saved with Pabbly. And as I have already logged in my Typeform account, you can see that my connection has been built in so smoothly. And right here it is asking me to select the form through which I want to receive my new leads. So here I will be selecting my form as lead generation form. Now let's select the response format as simple and click over the save and send test request. And right here the status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now let's provide the webhook response by submitting our type form. So here I will be entering the first name of my user as test, and the next I'm going to provide the last name as user, and now I'm going to enter the email address. So here I have provided the email. Now let's enter the contact number. So here I have provided the contact number too. Now let's enter the city as Bhopal. So here I'm going to enter it. And now let's submit our type form by simply selecting the submit button. And right here you can see that our type form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving this lead details over there or not. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see 5 5 seconds ago we have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the details of my user having the same first name, last name, and here you can check out its email address too. So here we are receiving the data of our lead. Now we have to add the data to the Google Sheet. So here I'm going to select Google Sheet. Now let's connect it, and right here we are on the connection page, where if you want to build a new connection, then you have to sign up with your Google account. So right here I'm going to use this account. So here I have selected it. Now let's allow the access. So here I'm going to just click over this continue button. And here you can see that my connection has been built in so smoothly. And we are getting this first field for selecting the spreadsheet where I want to add the lead details. So here I will be selecting my spreadsheet as type form lead records. So here I have selected it. And now we are getting all these fields. So here I'm going to fill the details of my lead. And for that I'm going to use a method provided by Pabbly Connect, that is mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these details from the response which I'm receiving from type form, as this is my previous application. And the process is simple. You just have to select the field and this slash symbol, and right here we are getting a previous application. So from its response I'm going to map the first name of my lead, provide the space, and I'm going to map the last name of my lead. So here I'm going to search for the last name, which can be seen over here. Now likewise I'm going to map all the details of my lead. So here I have mapped all these fields, and these fields are dynamic, means these are going to replace with every new entry received over the type form. Now let's click over the save and send test request, and right here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that the data might be saved to the Google Sheet. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet, where you can see that I'm successfully receiving all the details. So this shows that we have successfully integrated our both application and the data is getting saved over the Google Sheet. So now you can also create this automation and can save the entire data of your leads over the Google Sheet. And now you don't have to do it manually because this automation is going to do so. And you have seen that you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating this automation. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.